The Savannah area in Africa shouldn't be confused with the Georgia city of the same name. The African savanna is a flat, tropical grassland with a climate that has a rainy period during the summer when the area is covered by grasses, and by a dry winter when the grasses wither. Savanna have seasonal rainfall, with the majority of the rain being confined to one season of the year. A savanna is usually characterized by the trees being sufficiently small or widely spaced so that a closed canopy does not form. The open canopy of a savanna allows sufficient light to reach the ground to support an unbroken layer of plant life, consisting primarily of grasses. Due to the slight rainfall, trees have modified to minimize water loss. They have small, flat leaves and often have thorns. Some grassland savanna have no trees at all. Savanna are often referred to as transitional zones because they occur between forests and deserts or prairies. The boundaries of the savanna are far from clear. There's usually a gradual change from tall grasses with scattered trees to grassy woodland and finally to the rainforest. But where savanna vegetation has been repeatedly burnt, there can be a sharp division between this and the equatorial forest, which is less easily ignited. The African savannas have been major areas for the extension of agriculture since the 1960s, but wide variations in annual rainfall have been a major problem. Although schemes such as the Kariba and Volta dams have been developed to remedy water shortages in the African savanna, they have created new habitats for diseases and pests. Savannas near the equatorial belt, for example in Nigeria, support clumps of trees. The most extensive savannas, which are all important pasture lands, are located in Africa. Others include the Llanos and the Campos of South America. Savannas cover 20% of the land in the world, and the largest number of savannas are in Africa.